Hello students, so through this session we'll continue with the last chapter of your book, The Pact with the Sun, and that is the 10th chapter, A Strange Wrestling Match. This we hadn't done earlier actually, so yes, we'll go with this. So talking about the chapter as it is given in the beginning only, the introduction of the story, so it is said that a wrestler is there, and what is the name of the wrestler? Vijay Singh. Vijay Singh is the wrestler in the story, and Vijay Singh was a bit boastful at time. Boastful, you know that someone if giving any kind of boosting to the person, so he is ready to do anything. So he is a kind of person like that only, and he is very proud of his strength and all. But on the other hand, somewhere he had some mind also. How he has used that mind in the story, that you will know actually when we'll continue with the story. Once he took it upon himself to fight a ghost. So actually that's not a real ghost actually in the story. So how he met that ghost, and what happened there, was he able to save himself or not, so that we'll see here in this story. I'm starting with the very first paragraph here, although it's a long chapter, so possibly we'll just divide this chapter in 2-3 parts, and like that only we'll continue. So here I'm starting with the first paragraph. There was once a wrestler called Vijay Singh, a tall man with massive shoulders and muscular arms. He towered over others like a giant. Vijay Singh, people said, was a born wrestler and could beat all other wrestlers in the world. So Vijay Singh, this is the story of Vijay Singh, a wrestler, was a muscular person. Muscular means strong, and as the wrestlers used to be, and it is said for that no other wrestler is better than Vijay Singh. So he was quite famous in the nearby areas. Even this Pahalwan had but one shortcoming which often landed him in awkward situation. So you know that no one is perfect, so Pahalwan Vijay Singh is also like that only. So he had also one shortcoming means some actually problems was there, problems actually not actually exactly problem, but some limitations are there. And he was fond of boasting means he was he was the person who used to enjoy the appreciation, and if anyone is appreciating Vijay Singh and asking him to do anything, so he will be ready to do anything like that. So he is the person who is fond of boasting. One day he was sitting in the marketplace surrounded by several young men after drinking many glasses of milk. Then Vijay Singh, he was sitting there with the villagers only, men with many young men, and drinking milk there along with them. And he suddenly announced something. What did he announce? Why are people afraid of ghosts? I am not. I wish I met stout ghost. I would teach him a lesson. So he is a person, those who used to show off his actually strength to others. So he started saying that I don't know why people are afraid of ghost, and definitely if I will met somewhere a ghost, so definitely I will teach a lesson to the ghost. There were murmurs of applauses as well as apprehensions among the young men. So you know that how young men used to be. That is the age when everyone is there who used to actually in the habit of boasting like that. So they started talking with each other that will it be possible for Vijay Singh to beat a ghost like that? Although he was a stronger person, but with a ghost it cannot be done. So further what happened, if you walk alone at night through the haunted desert, one of them said, you are sure to meet ghosts. So one of the person was there who said that okay, if you want to meet a ghost, and if you are thinking that there will be nothing wrong with you, so you can go in the haunted desert there, it is nearby, and definitely you will meet a ghost there. They roam there freely. Strange shrieks and moans can be heard all over the place. Travelers have been looted and killed. Would you really want to go there? So further he is explaining more about that place, about that haunted desert, that many of the travelers are there, those who were killed during when they were just passing through that desert, and they were looted there also. And are you sure that you want to go there in that desert and you can face a ghost there? Vijay Singh's mighty heart missed a beat or two. Why did he have to boast? Yes, I have heard of the haunted desert, he said. Naturally, I think it's just a fairy tale. So at once, actually, Vijay Singh was also there, who just stopped for a while. His heart started beating. But at last, as he said himself that he is not afraid of ghosts, so he said that yes, I have heard about that haunted desert, but whatever I have listened about the desert, that's a fairy tale only. Fairy tale means there is actually nothing, not a fact is there, no ghost is there, and definitely it may be possible that some robbers used to live there and they used to rob the people and they used to make the people afraid there, like that only. Oh no, said one of his admirers. Admirers who used to admire you, who used to just provide appreciations for like that only. So one of his admirers said, oh no, it's true. This place is 10 miles to the west on the road of Jaisalmer. The landmark is an ugly black rock that looks like the head of a camel. Beyond that, there is nothing but sand and wilderness and of course ghosts. So the person is there who started explaining about the desert, that it's not a fairy tale but it's a fact, that that haunted desert is there, and that a rock is there in between the desert, and that is the landmark, that when you will cross that landmark, then the area of the ghost will start and you can meet the ghost there. Then further what happened, almost the entire village turned up the evening to bid farewell to Vijay Singh. So means Vijay Singh was ready to move there, as he said himself that he wanted to face a ghost, and definitely he want to prove that also, that that place is not actually haunted. So he just ready to go there. So he said that at the evening, entire village, the whole village, they just turned up on a place to bid a farewell to Vijay Singh, who was ready to set out west. West side he is going now towards the haunted desert. Just then an old woman came forward and thrust a small packet into his hands. So an old woman is there from out of the villagers only, and he gave a small packet in the hand of Vijay Singh. And Vijay Singh started walking into the red sunset of the desert. What is what is there in that packet? What did that women give to Vijay Singh? That is not clear. That we'll see further. So Vijay Singh took that gift from the old lady and he started just walking towards the west, towards the desert. As he walked, the night deepened. Deepen means the night is it is darker and darker. The time is running and it's gonna be almost midnight. The moon was bright and the stars shone clearly in the Rajasthan sky. Still a few miles short of his destination, Vijay Singh remembered the old women's packet. So Vijay Singh was continue and he was moving towards that place only, and it was almost midnight. Moon was there, stars were there in the sky, and suddenly Vijay Singh remembered about that packet which the old women had given to him. He opened it and found nothing but a lump of salt and an egg. So he opened that packet, and what is there in that packet? An egg was there and a lump of salt. Salt, you know, and lump of salt is there. The old woman was well known for his eccentricity. Eccentricity is also some magical works and all. So the old woman was well known for her eccentricities. So he used to do such works. So Vijay Singh was somewhere confirmed also that in that packet such things will be there. As Vijay Singh stepped into the haunted desert, he heard a voice. Vijay Singh, you will get lost in the desert. Come this way, I am your friend, Natwar. So as Vijay Singh entered in that desert, as he just crossed that landmark, suddenly he heard the voice, he heard his own name, and then he said that, that voice is saying that you will be lost in that desert, come along with me, I am your friend. And then he had told his name also. The name of that voice was Natwar. At once Vijay Singh realized it was not his friend but a ghost. So Vijay Singh somewhere just realized that time only that this is the voice of a ghost. Trying to sound brave, he called back, where are you, my dear Natwar? It's dark and I cannot see you. Come here and show me the way. Like all good wrestlers, Vijay Singh wanted to size up his enemy. So Vijay Singh actually kept his calm that time, and he said that okay, wherever you are, if you are my friend, then wherever you are, actually you just come here in front of me. And why he is calling that ghost in front of him? Because he wants to size up his enemy. Sized up means here he wants to judge that how strong his enemy was. He wants to see the enemy. So students, this was the first portion of the story, the strange wrestling match. Definitely we will continue with the same story in our next video lecture. So you can continue with the questions also. It is divided into two parts, although you hadn't seen that. But this story is divided into two parts. Almost we are about to complete the first part, but we'll just include it into the next one. So you can complete the covered questions, and rest will continue in the next video. Thank you.